The 2026 Yamaha WR250R. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the 2026 Yamaha WR250R, a lightweight dual sport built for riders who want real off-road capability without sacrificing smooth on-road performance. Engine and performance. The 2026 WR250R continues with its proven 250 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering responsive power and excellent throttle control. Its high-revving nature makes it lively on trails, while fuel injection ensures smooth, efficient performance on daily commutes. Suspension and handling. Yamaha equips the WR250R with long travel suspension that handles rocks, ruts, and uneven terrain with ease. The aluminum swing arm and lightweight chassis keep the bike agile, allowing precise control in tight trails and stable handling at highway speeds. Off-road capability. With nearly 11 inches of ground clearance, aggressive dual-sport tires, and durable construction, the WR250R thrives in challenging terrain. Whether climbing steep hills or navigating muddy paths, this bike offers dependable traction and confidence for any adventure rider. On-road comfort. Despite its off-road focus, the WR250R remains comfortable on pavement. The upright riding position, smooth gear shifts, and efficient engine make it suitable for longer rides and urban travel, giving riders true dual-purpose versatility. Modern features. The 2026 model includes updated digital instrumentation, improved LED lighting, and refined ECU mapping for better throttle response. These enhancements bring modern convenience to a rugged, proven platform. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha WR250R is a reliable, capable, and lightweight dual-sport motorcycle perfect for riders who want adventure-ready performance with everyday practicality. It's a machine built for exploration on any terrain.